Shooting his stepmother in the head with a nail gun. The judge described the attack as disgusting, but said much of the blame belongs with those who abused and neglected him as a child.
It was a Christmas night attack in 2018 so horrific that 50-year-old Ranyi Arayan needed the most brilliant surgery just to save her life and then prevent permanent brain damage. Today, a judge sentenced her 21-year-old son, Akash Narayan, to 2.5 years jail for grabbing a nail gun that night from his car at their Bonnyrigg Heights home and then firing it 3 times at the head of his stepmother following an alcohol-fuelled argument.
I think it's a just result. This is a young man that's been subjected to atrocious child abuse.
The court heard Akash had no history of violence despite years of neglect. In handing down his relatively lenient sentence, Judge Sutherland said the exposure to such a level of violence at the hands of his own father and stepmother would appear to have played a part in the development of this young man, and that shooting his stepmother with a nail gun was clearly an uncharacteristic and spontaneous outburst of violence. With time served, Akash could be out as soon as March next year, when he hopes to start a new life and marry his fiancée Jasmine. That horrific attack on Christmas night in 2018 that happened here in the driveways completely ripped this family apart. Akash's father no longer lives here. His former stepmother continues to recover from her brain injuries. But one thing Ranyi is sure about, she wants nothing to do with her former stepson when he gets out. Steve Hart for 10 News First.
The coronavirus pandemic is